Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your Thursday so far. In today's video, we are decorating for spring. I have a little makeover in my living room. Let's start with the spring haul. Majority of the items are from Glam. I really love these velvet picks or hydrangeas. I love these ones as well, all teal. Can you guess the color scheme? Gold, teal and black. I only bought one of these because I'm not going to use it as a curtain tie back. I'm just gonna use it as a decor piece, and this was very springy and it went with the other teal cushions that I have. It has a room to improve. I thought I could add some beads as well because I have teal beads, but I didn't have time for this video, so watch this space. This vase is my favorite. I bought it from Home Sense and it is absolutely gorgeous. Love the texture. I'm definitely warming up to gold, as you can see. Very large and only £20. I thought it was very good value for money. This ginger jar is from a thrift store, from charity shop, and it's beautiful, but it's not my style, so I'm just going to spray paint it into turquoise color. I also bought canvas from Hobbycraft, 1 meter by 1 meter, and we are going to create a brand new 3 art pieces, wall art, for my makeover. I hope you enjoyed this bit. I know some of you love watching me paint. You can skip it if you are not one of those viewers.
Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me down the road. There's sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand.
While that's drying, I'm going to start on my second one.
Let's find something new, me and you. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
This was one of my favorite earlier paintings, but unfortunately it got damaged in the very crowded garage, so I decided to repair it using tissue paper on top and create a brand new piece using some of the parts of this painting that I loved. All three done, and I absolutely love every single one of them. In case you are new here, I'm an emerging abstract artist. You can follow me on Instagram as well. My repair project worked really well as well, and I added gold to both of them, very cohesive to abstract art pieces. I wish I could click my finger or twitch my nose like Samantha did, so I could have a beautifully decorated room in an instant, but unfortunately I have to do all the work myself.
If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do?
Teal blanket and the cushion are also new items. I bought them from Primark.
Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too.
This new candle holder is perfect for my color scheme, and I'm just putting the black one away as it has snowflake theme, and I'm replacing it with this chai candle. Smells gorgeous, and I'm placing it inside. Let's admire my painting one more time on the wall. If you are following me, you already seen this image on Instagram, but in case you're not following me, why don't you do so?
Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too, that you're the only one for me.
On my IKEA DIY fluted bowl, I'm placing moss balls that I bought from Turkey. It was in a shop that basically sold everything, but everything was everywhere in the baskets, on top of boxes. It was like Aladdin cave, and I made a lot of purchases, and I'm going there again this Easter because I'm going to Turkey again, hopefully.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard.
Before I show you the reveal, let me tell you that this video is part of a close collab we do with my YouTube sisters Ellen, Anne and Tammy, and we are all part of Glam Squad. The playlist of all our videos will be in my description box below. Please go and visit their channels and tell them that I sent you. And here is my spring living room makeover.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder.